Welcome back, everybody. It's been a long, long time, but today we're working on my farm. We're gonna get all this done. I hate the lighting on here. This is a new. You can fix it. Yeah. I'll mess with that later. But we're gonna do this whole field, hopefully, in today's episode, if I can get my combine. Well, this is gonna, hopefully, I can do a live stream and do this whole field. I want 100 subscribers tonight. 100. Make that possible, you guys. Make it possible. I know you guys can. I know you guys will succeed in everything that I throw at you. This video is going to be at least 15 minutes. If we get 100, we'll see if I can do a live stream. Go live. Something like that. But I'm definitely going to have to get this lighting finished. As you can see, this field is yielding really good. And my farm is not fully built yet, which it will be soon. I will try to give you I will try to post a video every Saturday from now on. Every Saturday and Tuesday. Saturday and Tuesday, expect a video. I don't do it, be mad at me. I'm just so happy that I'm back. I'm in the John Deere, the American flag, all that. And we're doing soybean. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm not trying to make the best out of it. Oh shoot. I have a brand new setup. Basically. I have a mini TV. I should do that. And you can see it's going to be a little smaller. Which, yeah, we'll deal with it. We'll need to deal with it because it's the best thing that I got. Honestly, I don't know how everything fit on that TV. And it's not fitting on this. Still got around 10 minutes left. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I will try to upload a video on Saturday. Next Saturday, I'm not sure I will, but it will be out at least on Monday or Sunday. I'm gonna get 100. I want. Yeah, so, okay, boom. So, I will hopefully hit 100 subscribers tonight. Hopefully. I'm gonna have a crash out. I'm gonna try. So on Tuesday will be Tuesday, I will try to put out Tuesday. Yeah, whatever I said. We'll be doing hay. And Saturday will be farming. Unless you guys want to change that. So I don't care. If you guys do. Today is Saturday, 5 o'clock Eastern. That sure is my goal to live stream almost every day game I can. Let's try to get me at 200 subscribers. And maybe live stream some of the draft. Hopefully. Or if I can't upload that day, I will let you guys know. Holy cow, this is yielding stupidly good. Oh my, holy cow. This should not be yielding that. Yeah, this yield is yielding stupid. This is stupidly good. Yeah, it's good, but I don't make lots of money. A lot money. A lot. I'm gonna go dump all this. No way I'm gonna get that done, that whole field done. This is gonna be like a series long video. That would be cool if it was like a 5 video. That would be so cool. It could. I really hope it is. I really hope. Because if it is, that would be so good for me. When was the last time I posted? By chance. Last time I posted a real video would be almost a year ago. Wow. I'm sorry, guys. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna get this lighting figured out, and I'm gonna get this posted by today. Have a nice day and subscribe.